Hey, it's Kathy Allen. Let's make a junk journal spread here at 20 times speed. Yes, this actually took me a half an hour, and there is a video of all of it if you want to hear me talking through all my choices. Right here, I had all this stuff together, and then I thought, nope, I'm just going to use that guide there, which is one of the reasons that I do like sharing these in real time because I think it's important to see that it's okay to change your mind, even if you worked really hard cutting some other things out. I just saved them for later. I think it's also important to share these at a fast speed. Like I said, this is 20 times speed because maybe you don't have a half hour to hang out with me while I make a spread in my junk journal. I really love junk journaling because there's lots of things that you can use. I'm using a map here from a campground, a bag from another place we shopped at, some regular paper, some glue, some scissors, and you can end up with something that's really fun that commemorates an event, like this was a camping trip that we did, or something else. You will see I have many of these that I have done, and they're not all related to certain events. I even added some washi tape at the very end too after I wrote in around these leaves. Seriously, that bag was so pretty that I got those leaves from. And I had a really fun time making this. In general, I like junk journaling because I feel like there are no rules. You can just do whatever feels good to you, choose what you want to put on there, and I'm always happy with the end result. So that's pretty awesome. Thanks for watching. See you next time.